So that was my third day in Berlin. I have literally deleted all the footage with my face because at one point I was absolutely unhappy with how it came out. So now I will re-record all the things that actually happened there. After I have done my Anmeldung, I tried making a contract for an unlimited internet SIM card because I do need that in terms of my media upload and stuff like that. I've been told that I will need a local bank account to do that, so I worked that out. I registered with Vivid, topped up with some money, and went back to the O2. I already signed up all the papers for the O2 contract, but I got declined because there's an organization in Germany that controls all the financial history of the individual. It's called SCHUFA, and it declined my reliability, if that's even a word. So be prepared that when you travel to Germany and you want to make any kinds of contracts, organization called SCHUFA will be looking at you and will not allow you to do that unless you have already got good financial history in Germany. So this whole story about SCHUFA, here's what you can do. You have to go to this website and you can ask for an annual report for your personal use, for your personal view, and you're not allowed to give it to your landlords or to your work, but you can get a report for yourself to understand what kind of score you have at the moment in Germany. But when you need a report for your landlord, you can do the paid version of it, and that comes in immediately. This was a Chinese market in Berlin. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna pronounce the name. Read it for yourself, please. Okay, so I'm not quite sure if someone would be interested in visiting such a place. Loads of clothes, loads of different kind of stuff. Like you can find pretty much anything here except for office supplies, which were the point why I was actually going to this place. Maybe at least once you should visit the place to see that something like this exists in Berlin, but it's definitely not for everyone. Right now I'm just gonna grab some food and a beer and have a little rest from all the walking, because the place is a bit exhausting. Loads of people with children. No idea why they would take children to such a place, but okay. Many buildings, and I think I have been to all of them. I was looking for office supplies, as I said before, and light. I found light. It is cheaper than in a regular shop inside the city center, but otherwise, yes, thank you. But otherwise, I don't really see the point of going here. Cheers! No idea what this is, but this smells so aromatic. And in comparison, here's an Asian supermarket inside Berlin center. So if you're simply looking for some Asian treats, it's probably easier to visit one of these. They will have all the same things, probably at a little bit higher prices, but to be honest, I've been looking for ice cream, so this is what I found. I'll check this out. Let's open this up. Eventually go to it. Turned out to be some sort of fruit in sugar syrup. That's it. I was expecting more, but okay, still pretty tasty. If you watched until this point, press like and a follow. I hope this was enough Asia in Berlin for you for today. I will make my videos slightly shorter, but I will upload them more often. This was Tonya from Cult Tonika. Bye.